Hi everyone, today we will discuss about a very useful formula of multi-number sequence by using COUNTIF. So COUNTIF, normally we are counting COUNTIF or count formula we are using COUNTIF range we are giving like this. Okay, asking the range we are looking by pressing F4, comma, criteria we will mention, let's say inverted comma manually Qasim. So it will tell me in the cell whatever my selection range. Let me increase the range 30. So it's telling me in the data Qasim is 5 times. So that is a normal COUNTIF formula. So now we will use a formula where the sequence of Qasim, it will tell us how many times it's repeated. So we will start a formula COUNTIF. So range, how we have to select range? We will select the range C3 to C3. C3 to C3. Now the criteria is we have to use here at again C3 to C26, the full row, full range here we have to select now. Okay, after that we have to lock the first cell C3 and bracket close, enter. So when you drag the formula, you will see here Qasim is coming here. The position of Qasim, the sequence of Qasim is here 1. Qasim repeated again. Here the sequence of Qasim 2. It's mean that where we are in the cell Qasim, it's came second time. So come here, you can see Qasim again came. It will come automatically 3. So 1, 2, 3. The sequence of Qasim is coming here. So that is a difference between COUNTIF and sequence number by using a COUNTIF formula. So what actually formula is doing, if you go in the formula, so the blue and red two selection is there. So first selection is locking the first cell as C3. When you come on second cell down, first cell is showing you C3 to C3, then C3 to 26. So when we will come here, it will show you C3 to C4. The blue area, you can see here, the blue selection is increasing and the red selection is moving down. Before it was C3, now it's C3 to C26, now becomes C4 to C27 because it's not locked. So the same way, when you click here F2, press F2, it will show you the first cell is not moving, but its range is increasing and the red one is going down, C5 to C28, you can see here. So in that way, when we reach up to that level, when we press that one, see the blue area from C3, because C3 is locked, it will not move, and it's reach up to C9. In C9, Qasim is again. So system a formula is counting by considering this one, because the first cell in the criteria is C9. So count if C3 to C9 equivalent to C9. So how many times Qasim came? First time is appearing here in C3 and second time is appearing in C9. So 1 and 2. This is the second sequence of Qasim. So same way the Qasim will come here. Press this one F2 and you can see here from C3 to C15 the blue range is selected and here C15 the starting to C38, so it will go moving down, but the first cell is locked, that's why it will count in the first. It's increasing the range also and the criteria accordingly. So hope this is very useful video for you to judge the sequence of the data, that this data or this name repeated in which sequence, actually the first, second, third, fourth. So that will help you. So Qasim here 4 times, Qasim here 5 times. So this is the 5th sequence of Qasim. So like that you can find the sequence of the name, amount, anything which you want to search by using this formula with the help of COUNTIF. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.